stretching their necks for leaves to eat. They munch and crunch, standing high. Now we've counted 2, oh my. Funny monkeys swing and play, laughing and jumping all the way. Count us, 1, 2, 3. Monkeys are happy as can be. 4 big elephants splashing near, trumpeting sounds for all to hear. They spray some water, 1, 2, 3, 4. Elephants marching, let's count more. Count the animals, clap your hands. Numbers are fun across the lands. From 1 to 10, we'll sing and play, counting animals every day.
5 bright parrots flying high, colorful wings across the sky. Red and green, yellow too. Count them now, 1 to 5, woohoo.
6 playful zebras run so fast. Stripy friends are having a blast. Galloping, racing, 1 through 6. Counting zebras does the trick.
7 tigers strong and bold,
Orange stripes with hearts of gold. Walking proudly through the trees. Count 7 tigers with such ease.
8 pandas munching on bamboo,
Black and white, a gentle crew. Crunching leaves, 1 through 8. Counting pandas feels so great. 9 hopping rabbits love to play, jumping up and down all day. Fluffy tails and ears so fine, hop and count them, 1 through 9. To happy animals shout, hooray! We've counted together all the way. Lions, giraffes, and monkeys too. Elephants, parrots, all with you. Elephants, parrots, all with you.